everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to learn the names of birds. Yay! And insects.
Yay!
Let's get started. Get started. Yay!
Yay!
What is this?
Kingfisher.
It's a kingfisher. Very good. What is this?
Owl.
It's a
Owl.
owl.
Yay!
Yay. What is this?
Crow.
It's a crow.
Cow, cow.
Cow, cow. What is this?
Peach.
This is a pigeon.
Yay!
What is this?
Eagle.
It's a eagle.
Yay!
What is this?
Sparrow.
Sparrow. It's a sparrow.
Choo choo.
Sparrow does choo choo.
Choo choo.
What is this? What is this?
Duck.
It's a duck.
Quack quack.
Duck says
Quack quack.
quack quack. What is this?
Vulture.
It's a vulture. What is this, Adhyay?
Flamingo.
It's a flamingo.
Yay!
It's a flamingo. It's a toucan.
Apple.
I hope you understood the names of the birds. Now we will be learning
Really?
names of the insects.
Insects.
Okay, let's start learning the insects now.
Antenna.
What is this?
Butterflies.
It's a
House.
butterfly. What is this?
House.
Fly. Very good. It's a house fly. What is this? What is this? What is this?
Grasshopper.
Grasshopper. Very good. What is this?
Spider.
Spider. This one?
Alibaba. Spider. Honeybee.
Honeybee. What is this?
Millipede.
Millipede. What is this?
Ants.
Ant. What is this?
Ladybird.
Ladybird. This one?
Centipede.
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 This is
Scorpion.
scorpion. What is this? It's a
Eagle.
Tell.
Dun, 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 dun. Praying mantis.
It's a
Praying mantis.
praying mantis. What is this?
Cockroach.
Cockroach. So today we learned the names of the insects and birds.
Birds. Yeah.
Hope you like the video. If you like the video, like it,
Like it.
share it,
Share the video.
and
Subscribe channel.
subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.
Bye bye. See you.